In this video, I will guide you on how to add another user on your Nintendo Switch 2, and the process is quite simple. All you just have to do is to head over to the settings of your Nintendo Switch 2, scroll through the left hand side until you get to users, select that, and then from the bottom over here you're going to see the add user option over here. Select that as well, and if the user you want to add already has a Nintendo account, you can go ahead and sign into the Nintendo account and then create your user. Or alternatively, if the user does not already have a Nintendo account, go ahead and click on add user without signing in, and at this point you can select your avatar, then also add a nickname for that particular user. Once you're done, click on the OK button and then just click on OK. Now we have successfully added a new user to our Nintendo Switch 2. To link a Nintendo account for this particular user, you want to go ahead and select it, and then over here you're going to see the sign in to a Nintendo account option. Select that as well. And just over here, you're going to see a QR code that you can actually use to link the Nintendo account to this particular user on your Nintendo Switch 2. If you don't want to use the QR code method to link the Nintendo account to your newly created user, you can actually just sign in using another method. And even if the user does not have a Nintendo account at all, you can actually go ahead and create a new Nintendo account by clicking on the create a new account option over here. I have made a separate tutorial on how to create and link a Nintendo account to your Nintendo user, and I'm going to be leaving a link to that particular video in the description of this video. If this video was helpful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.